Hi, Danica here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up WP Fusion and connect it to your GoHighLevel or HighLevel account. So first thing that we need to do is download the plugin. So once you are in the account, there's a view details and download, so you can click that, and then in here you can get the zip file. Once you have downloaded that, you can then go ahead and upload that file and then activate plugin. We're going to need to put the license key, so copy the license key. So WP Fusion. This one, first we're going to activate that. Next is we're going to connect this to your HighLevel account. Authorize with HighLevel. So you need to log in here. So log in to your HighLevel account. Send security code. So let me just grab that code in my email. Select the account. So if there's more than one HighLevel account connected to your email, it's gonna show in here. And that's it. So now HighLevel and WP Fusion is already connected. Now let's try if this works. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to, first I'm gonna save this. So the page refreshes, and in the general settings, I'm gonna assign a tag. So I'm gonna create a new tag. So all WordPress user, I want to put the indicator. So members, busy mom. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm going to save this. Now I'm gonna check HighLevel. So what I want to test is if I add a new user. So let's just say Danica plus mem1. So Danica mem1, Danica plus mem1 at custommem.io. Louis. I'm just gonna keep my password weak. And in here, as you can see, it says add the user to contact HighLevel. So this is our test if the connection really works. And this website, it's also connected to Memberium. So as you can see, this has this option, but the goal for this website is we're gonna transition it from using Memberium to WP Fusion with the HighLevel because the client has switched from Infusionsoft to HighLevel. So I'm gonna add this account, and then I'm gonna edit this. There should be an ID if it's connected properly. Scroll down. So as you can see, we have the HighLevel contact ID. So if I open that, that should open the contact records. Allow. And here's my record connected properly. So if I check the tags, okay, what's missing is the tag. So let me just do a resync tags just to make sure if it's properly linked. So in the HighLevel account, there's no tag, and then in here, there is no tag when I resync that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna troubleshoot that in here. So this tagging meaning did not work properly. I'm just gonna resync that, and then I'm also gonna go to setup. No, not that one. Advanced. And then in here, nope, I'm not gonna do that for now. Let's check why the tag is not set up properly. So if we find or try to look for WP user, okay, that means this tag that we have created here was not synchronized to the HighLevel account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first test the webhook. So far it's working. Okay, so I'm going to try creating the tag here. So members, let's see, mom. And then now that the tag is assigned to that user, I'm going to try to call the tag here. So as you can see, I have two tags in here. So one is this one. The other one is lower letter. So I think that's this one. As you can see, it's lower letter. So that means this one was not synced in GoHighLevel. Okay. So I'm gonna try to add another user and let's see if the tag is now added. This time mem2. So then I can mem2. Again, make sure to check this. And then I'm gonna edit that user. And then it says this is my user account. Scroll down as then the tag is added properly. So this means that at the moment of this testing, tags added via the field or the functionality in the WordPress with WP Fusion is not synced to to the HighLevel account. I still need to check how to work on that because I think that's kind of strange why it's not syncing. Maybe I need to check if the webhook will help, but I'll get back to you on that one. But this is the trick for now. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create an automation for adding your user to the WordPress automatically using the webhook. But for this video, that is how to connect your HighLevel with WP Fusion account. So that means if I have a tag, let's just say test tag 01. So if I have a tag in here added to my user, and this tag whenever this tag is added, I'm gonna update my user account. That will be replicated in this account. So if I resync this one manually, so you can see the tag has been added to my account. So later on, when you have a page, you can use that to protect and automate stuff inside your WordPress account because WP Fusion has this functionality when you say, in this page, I only want user with test 1 to be able to access this page and so on. So there's more that we can do. I'm gonna show you my process for converting this website. But I hope this helps. If you have any question, just let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.